Welcome back to a new price prediction, price analysis video on Abracadebra project. We will be taking a look at where we see price currently at and where I see price hopefully heading to in the future. And talking about some of its analysis and bearish and bullish momentum that we see with the technical analysis that we will be reviewing today. So if you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. And let's take a look at Spell Token. Alright, so this is the 1 hour, okay? But before I start, I want to also take a look at Bitcoin real quick because the whole market follows Bitcoin's momentum, okay? So if Bitcoin is down, some of the projects that we're in, such as Strong, Spell Token, OGN, will also follow that segment, okay? So if we do search Bitcoin, we can see that currently for the 1 day, if we take a look here, Bitcoin, okay, finally. So we see here Bitcoin. We are currently breaking in the zone. Okay, so we were here. We saw that there was resistance levels at these here at 48,000. Okay, and we saw that price break in that zone right now. And 1 day, we can see that Bitcoin was down. Okay, so just keep in mind that price follows Bitcoin, since this is something that every project will follow. Okay, so Bitcoin is down for today. We will also see other projects, like I said, Strong, OGN will also be following that segment, and we will see downtrend as well for the day. Okay, because these projects follows this momentum. It's such as SPY. Okay, so we have SPY, which is follows like the 500 companies for American companies like Apple, Microsoft. It all follows its momentum. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you're taking a look at projects, and just have an overview of where the whole market is at, okay? Because if we are bullish for today, we could see some of the altcoins and project also follow that zone here, okay? So let's take a look at also I wanted to highlight another thing with Bitcoin. I know this is not a Bitcoin video, but we are breaking some zones that we need to be cautious about, okay? So we have that we are breaking the zone, and we are currently at 45,000. And if you see that we are down in 2%, okay, so it's very important to when you're getting to these projects, that if you want to be in it for the long term, just have the long term vision in your mind, okay? Because it's very important to lose faith in the projects that you're in if you're not really having the sustainability and everything in the back of your mind. You need to be careful, and you need to know that everything is gonna work out at the end, okay? Because we are in these projects long term. And we hopefully would love for price to continue its bullish momentum, but some days it might decline. But overall, if you're taking a look at it for the future, we will win, okay? All right, so now we could take a look here at Spell. We have 0.005, okay, here as the really high support, high level of resistance, as we can see here. And we are currently down 7%. So it's similar to OGN, which we are currently down as well for the project. But that's fine, okay? We are in this in the long term, so don't think about it as, oh, I'm gonna sell because I don't believe in the project. Relax, okay? The whole market is down. Let's keep having faith, and everything will work out, okay? All right, so let's take a look here. We were in these zones here of about 0.0004, and we were respecting that, okay? So the zones here, we saw that big bullish momentum here. But unfortunately, we wicked out of it once, and we saw a big reversal since the MACD was indicating there was going to be a reversal. And also there was the volume decreasing as well at these times. We are respecting these zones here. We could take a look. If we zoom in, we can see that price never really closed here. And we saw that we created triple bottoms here. And so it was indicating there was a lot of support levels here. And also we could see that these levels tested here several times. But keep in mind that we do have another order block here, and another momentum where bullish momentum occurred at, which is 0.0038, okay? So if price continues in the downtrend, we see Bitcoin continue in the downtrend, we could see another reversal here at these levels. If price breaks these levels here of heavy support, we could have a retracement back here, rebounce off of these support levels, and then touch back here at these levels of premium at about 0.0039, okay? Keep that in mind. I hope that Bitcoin rallies back up, but we don't know what's going to happen in the future, let alone maybe even tomorrow, okay? So if we do zoom in here, we have also 0.00352, which is a big support level, and as we can see, price created a double bottom here at these levels. So it's indicating this is also a premium level that price could rally back down to. I don't see it happen, but we just need to have everything zoned out. Just to keep in mind that if price goes back to these levels, we still have faith, and we still know that price will rally back up when everything comes back together. Okay. But we are currently, if you take a look here, MACD is indicating we're going to have another tracement. And volume is starting to increase a little bit. And RSI as well, we're oversold. So these are great signs, okay? And we know that this is heavy support and the price is currently going there. So could we see another potential rise here to these levels of about 0.0046? We could, okay? But just keep in mind that these also are heavy levels of resistance, because we went up there again in the 1 hour recently, where we saw also price wick out of these zones but never closed there. So this is a heavy resistance area because it never closed there as well. We saw it touch once, twice, and 3 times, and actually 4 times here before going back down, since also Bitcoin is in the rally in the downtrend. So prices are just following Bitcoin as well. But we are in a downtrend currently. We can see that price finally decided to it's still in a downtrend in a sense, but we are creating support level at these premiums here. So I do see price hopefully going to these levels again. So retracing here at these support levels before hopefully heading back to these resistance and hopefully breaking out of these resistance and then rebouncing back at about 0.0046 before heading back down to heading back up to about 0.00505, because these are very high levels of resistance. And I hope that happens, okay? And I hope you guys like these analysis, and I hope to see you in the next one, and stay blessed, and take care.